Motovlog number 2. Please,
what's up?
like,
It's your boy
comment, and
Tarzan.
subscribe.
We're gonna be heading up some canyons today. So, I hope you guys enjoy the footage. I'm not gonna really be talking too much. It's gonna be a nice chill day. So AMG C63, that's just far. So hope you guys enjoy. You guys hear this thing? This thing is fucking insane. I love it. Fucking love it. Alright, so GMR might or might not be closed. I'm not too sure. So we're gonna have to fucking find out. I hope it's not, but it is the first weekend of the month. And from my experience, the last couple times I've came up here the first weekend of the month, it is usually fucking closed. So, but usually I would come on a Sunday, and today's a Saturday. And yeah, I really do hope it is open, because I'm gonna be fucking mad. If not, we could go up to Azusa. I really don't want to go up to Azusa because Azusa is packed as fuck right now. You know, everybody likes going to the little rivers and shit, and it just gets way too crazy up there sometimes. So yeah, I don't want no fucking asshole pulling out in front of me either. So even at GMR is scary too, because there is fucking dumb fucks that don't know how to drive, and they would cross yellow or whatever. But let's not have that be the case today. Let's be smart, let's be diligent. Yeah, me not doing a buck fucking whatever the fuck here is not being smart whatsoever. But it's okay. yeah. Let's see, I just wanted to save a little bit of battery, so I turned off the GoPro as soon as I got off the freeway. Alright, we're gonna pray and hope that this shit is not fucking closed. So, I don't know if you guys heard, not heard, but yeah, basically heard me say that it might or might not be open. Just running through those gears. Alright, good thing is I don't see any bicyclists, so that's a good sign. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Don't let me fucking find out, bro. Oh, there's no trucks or anybody parked right here, so it's not like anybody's riding up. Alright. Let's pray and hope. Now, this is gonna be a really chill run. I have not been up into the canyon in fucking, I want to say maybe over 2 months. So I'm a bit overdue, that's for sure, but I'm definitely a bit overdue, but yeah, we're not gonna be doing nothing crazy. Let's go. Oh, look at false neutral. Let's go. Oh, wrong one. My fucking foot slipped off. My foot slipped off my peg. Dude, my music is fucking me up. Staying between the lines. Oh, I forgot about that. to stay tucked. Ah. Oh, my fucking hand is so numb. Oh, I can't feel my fucking hand. Who's this brother? Hell yeah, brother. Fuck, that shit threw me off. $10.41. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Got the dual sports out. That's pretty cool. That little 450L back there. Their tires. Pretty cool. Ah, my fucking hand hurts. I can fucking barely feel it. Fuck. Alright, let's keep her going. The hell? See that shit wasn't registering for some reason. That was weird. not that good at the backside coming down, so it's honestly really sketchy because you got to like deal with the G-forces of coming down the hill. So when you brake, it just like it really like throws your ass, that's for sure. I know, you're good. Oh, look at it like that. Oh, fuck. I hate the feeling coming down. You know what they say, you gotta be comfortable doing uncomfortable things. Rock. Oops. Ha. Oh, fuck, I forgot about that one too. Ooh. Oh, fuck. Oh, I can't fucking feel my hand. So, probably, what, maybe a year ago now. Yeah, a year ago, I broke my wrist drifting on my 66. And, yeah, I have a plate. I have a plate and 6 screws in my wrist, in my right wrist. So, Usually it's my left hand that goes fucking numb and I can't feel it, but I don't know, for some reason right now my fucking right hand's going numb as fuck, dude, and I just cannot feel it. It's all good though, gotta push through it. Gotta push through it, gotta push through it. What is that, fucking 4 bushwhacks already? Ah, my fucking wrist. Now I'm just complaining. But I know, like, as soon as I start pushing. Thank you. Look at this, look at it. Like, please get your, like, move your fucking kid to the side. Like, what the fuck? You're fucking, like, oh my god, bro. I fucking swear to god, these people. These fucking retards. Look at this, look how many fucking people there are right here. It's fucking insane. Make sure I'm heard. Be seen, be heard. I see that people don't like to look in their fucking mirrors. Well, 10:41, not bad from the start of the gate to the fork, to the end of the gate, to the start of the gate, to the end of the gate. I could definitely shave off fucking 30 seconds, that's for sure. Because I was riding up here daily, I would be hitting like a 10, anywhere from 10:15 to 10:19 coming up. I think going down the backside was really slow. It wasn't that fast. I'm not that confident going down the backside. Yeah, that number will definitely get lower as the weeks come. That's hopefully somewhere by midweek. I should be around 10, low 10s, really low 10s. At least sub 30, that's for sure. Anything lower than 30, you know, probably 20. Probably not like super quick, but 10:41's a little base to go off of. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, throw down any tips, any like suggestions or something down at the bottom of the video. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed actually. Well, It's the ZX-10R. I'm Tarzan, and I'll catch you guys later.